Nostalgia is the most powerful ingredient.
I don't have any nostalgia to begin with.
He always uses this thin copper-colored pot to cook the ramen.
I only have this thick aluminium thing. I know it's not as thick as Sydney Sweeney.
He made his noodles according to the package descriptions, but 50 milliliters shy of water.
I feel shy with every girl I met, but I'm not gonna shy with water.
To boiling water,
Boil the water.
the soup packet goes in,
Noodles go in.
then the dry mix.
The dry things.
Cook it al dente for 3.5 minutes, crack 1 egg, cover the lid,
Cracking the only egg I have. Covering the lid.
and cook for 30 seconds to let the egg whites set.
This is what it looks like if you put an iPhone in sauna.
You fucked up.
We would use an encyclopedia or a boring book to lay the pot on top
The only boring part of my life is me.
Failure.
and enjoy it straight from the pot using the lid as a plate.
My mom would kill me if I do that, so I'm using tea saucer as a plate.
This whole day I'm seeing instant ramen recipes. I'm surprised I haven't seen anybody use Indomie ramen yet.
I'm not suppressed, so I'm using Maggi barbecue flavor.
Hiya.
As the noodles cook,
As the struggle continues.
1 week later.
Let's halal this packet in a haram way.
I'll fry up an egg,
Let's fry an egg in doobie doobop's way.
again season with.
Let's season it with my never-ending chili oil.
Once the noodles are cooked, I'm gonna add the sauces and seasoning packets,
Barbecue seasoning packet. Mixing it up,
fried egg, and your favorite chili oil. That's pretty much it.
topping it off with the egg, and mixing it vigorously with my left hand. For taste test, it actually tastes good.
From the screen to the ring to the pen to the king. Where's
Fried rice. Albert making fried rice.
Let's make all bets fried rice. The smack he got, I always get from my mom because I am it.
Failure. Yeah, nephew Albert. Vegetable tastes like sad.
I too hate vegetables being from a vegetarian family.
Hiya. Peanut oil good.
Sunflower oil, bad.
Garlic shallot good. With
Garlic and some onion because shallon is for rich people.
chopstick nice.
Cracking my egg. Wait, what the fuck is that? Never mind. Beating my egg with my baby fork. Egg into the pan. Now I am gonna scramble it up.
They all rice go in.
The cooked rice from 21st century. It's time for MSG, Morning Salt Goddess.
really, nigga?
Spring onion, chili,
The white parts of red onion.
soy sauce,
Soy sauce.
sauce again. Done.
Mixing vigorously with my left hand. Done.
Yo, Uncle Roger's so proud of us.
I'm so proud of this.
Good teamwork. Now you know how to make fried rice.
Now for the taste test. I know I missed a lot of ingredients, but it tastes good.
Yeah!
Really, really good. Now I think I can be uncle someday.
You will never be uncle.
So that's it.
Death wish!
God damn it, chicken. Stop! From my previous video, one person commented, big leaks are coming. Hell yeah. Thank you. That means a lot to me. And I was saying, procrastination is a bitch and it leads to inconsistency. I try not to be inconsistent. Man, my subscriber ratio looks like this. I swear to God, it took like 3 whole months to gain these last 8 subscribers.
What's your number?
My number?
Yes.
67.
Stop. 6, 7?